My name is Jan Gliszczynski. I'm a project program and portfolio manager. I got my PRINCE2 certification about a decade ago, and I've been very, very fortunate to be able to use that in a wide variety of projects, in some cases all over the world. Everything from small-scale automation and process improvements, all the way up to large-scale, massive capex projects, things like massive warehouses for different employers. One of the most interesting projects that I worked on in the last few years was when I was working for IKEA. I had the opportunity to be a project manager to set up their new warehouse just outside of London, in Dartford. I was really fortunate to be able to join right from the very beginning, and I was able to shape it using the PRINCE2 practices and principles. It was happening primarily during the COVID lockdowns. So that was a really, really big problem for us, because typically you can be working in a lot of workshops because there's a lot of planning to do and there's a lot of agreements that need to be found between people. I think PRINCE2 really helped with that because of those tools that it comes with. That gave me some frameworks and some products that I could use to kind of manage that project. Having the PRINCE2 framework really helped me understand the context in which the project was operating. And particularly in a project like this, with the huge amounts of spinning plates that I had to keep on the go, it really helped me keep on top of all the different things that I needed to do. Having all of the management products really supported me and helped remove a lot of the uncertainty that can exist in a project. For me, having all of the various logs in particular was very, very useful, because it allowed me to focus a lot of the conversations in the limited time that we would have for meetings and really work on specific aspects of a project, one piece at a time. I would absolutely recommend PRINCE2 for both project managers and for organisations as well. It allows project managers to deliver results and benefits to the organisation in a consistent way.